Yeah, you are welcome to my channel again today. It has been a while I made a video. I hardly have time. Okay, as I've promised during the week, I told you I want to release updates about my strategy to you guys. So this is the update now here. Okay, this is the update here. The update here is that you need to set this line. Let me show you the lines. I will show you now the lines. I will show you the lines now. Okay. You need to set this line, this line, this line, and this line. Okay, you can see the direction of this line, they are going down. It shows that your candles also will also be going down. You can see when you are very close to this one, then you don't make use of the strategy. When it's very close, then you follow the upward direction when you invest in this. But when you have these ones like this one like this one like this one like this, then you make use of your call down option. Okay, for those of that have gotten my forex trading strategy, okay, this is what you need to use to apply on your forex. Okay, it also work on binary options if you set it, but it will work very best and very perfect for forex. Okay, for forex it's very work very well for forex, because on forex you can take long trade, because on binary you can take short. Okay, that is why it works very well for forex. So for those of you that are trading on forex that have gotten my ebook, please request for the configuration of these lines, then I'm going to send it to you. Okay, it's free for you guys. Okay, you know my email. If you're here to know my email, you can comment, click the link below this video also to get it. If you are new and then you want the details of my strategy, either for binary or for forex, look at the link below this video, send me a mail, and I will get back to you. Okay, so let's do the detailed analysis of this, how this works. Okay, now let me show you very well. Let's go back here for you to see very well, for you to see very well. And that thing you need to take into consideration is this. Let me show you here. Is this one here. All this line, when your blue line crosses your yellow line here, it must also cross at the top, and then you must see your dotted line as well coming down. Then you do your what call down option, which is your put. Then you make what? Good money. Take your trade here and take your sell there. That is a very good profit for you. Okay, that is it. If also the reverse is the case as well, if it is going up, the same thing. If it is going up, the same thing. If it is going up, you do the same thing. Let's check. Okay, you can see this one as well. This one is going up now. This one is going up. You can see. Let me show you now. Let me show you. You can see this one is going up. It's going up. Now I'm going to wait when my blue line is going to cross my yellow line. Okay, I'm going to wait until when my blue line is going to cross my yellow line. When this one is going to point up, when this one is pointing down now, I won't trade this, because it's showing that it's going down. Okay, it's showing that it's going down. But when your blue line crosses your yellow line, then you trade, you're going up. Okay, let's check this. Let's wait for this. This one is pointing down, so we can't trade this one. We can't trade this. The best time for us to trade is at this point here, when it shows this first one here, first dotted line. That is the best time for you to trade it. Okay, when it shows the first dotted line, that is the best time for you to trade it if you are trading on binary. But on forex, you can actually start from any angle here, then end up here, then you make good profit. Yeah, if you need this strategy, look at the link below this video. This is going to change your life, and it's going to change the way you trade, and you're going to trade conveniently with rest of mind and make money for yourself and your family. Thank you for watching my video. You will see me, and I will also see you in my next video. Bye for now.